If the Intel Corporation HIDClass Driver update or the Dell Inc Firmware Driver update is failing to install on your Windows 11 PC, then follow all the steps shown in this video one by one. One of these methods should help you fix the problem. Step 1. Restart your computer. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary Windows update glitches and allow the driver update to install properly. After the restart, go back to Windows Update and check if the update installs. If the problem continues, move to the next step. Step 2. Start required Windows services. Type Services in the Windows search box and open the Services app. Find App Readiness. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. If the Start button is available, click Start. Click OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply. Click Start if available. Click OK. Now right-click Background Intelligent Transfer Service and select Restart. Next, scroll down and locate Windows Update. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply. Click Start if available. Click OK. Right-click Windows Update and choose Restart. Close the Services window and try installing the update again. If it still fails, continue with the next step. Step 3. Pause and resume Windows Update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Wait a few seconds. Now click Resume Updates. Windows will refresh the update components and download the driver update again. Check whether the installation completes successfully. If not, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Run SFC and DISM commands. Type CMD in Windows Search. Right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now run the following commands one at a time. After each command finishes completely, run the next one. First command. SFC/scan now. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Now run. DSM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Wait until the process finishes. Finally run. DSM/online/cleanup image/start component cleanup. Once all three commands have completed successfully, restart your computer. After restarting, check if the Intel or Dell driver update installs. If the scans get stuck or never complete, follow the next step. Step 5. Repair Windows using Windows Update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now. This feature reinstalls your current version of Windows while keeping your personal files, installed apps, and settings. The repair process may take some time. Once it finishes, restart your PC. Now open Windows Update and try installing the driver update again. After completing these steps, the Intel Corporation HIDClass Driver update or Dell Inc Firmware Driver update should install successfully on your Windows 11 computer. If one method does not work, continue with the next until the problem is resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.